FHA is Federal Housing Administration. FHA is a great loan. You have to put 3.5% down. I actually can do those, believe it or not, from anybody from a 550 score on up. After you get under a 620 score, generally it can be a little bit more difficult, maybe not. It just depends, but we can do those on lower customer type scores. It's 3.5%. The seller can contribute up to 6% towards closing costs, which is nice. They do allow us, with me anyway, I can go up to a pretty high debt ratio sometimes. I've done them as high as like 55%, which is very high. So on our FHA products, we don't have what we call overlays, which really can separate me from other places, because a lot of places they may get an approval on somebody, but they go, well, his ratios are 52%. We don't want them over 45%, so they won't accept it because they're not in the box of what they're looking for. So I don't have that. If I get an approval through the computer, the automated system where we put these loans through, if it accepts it, I can do the loan. So that's nice on the FHA products. They do charge, FHA charges what they call an upfront funding fee, which is 1.75% that gets added on top of the loan. And then of course they charge their monthly mortgage insurance, which actually just got dropped recently as of just the last few weeks. It's a factor of 0.85 monthly that they charge, which they actually dropped that, so it actually was a benefit to the clients. So they do charge monthly and they charge upfront. But FHA in general, traditionally, I can do them, like I said, with lower credit scores. I've even done FHA loans for people that have no credit score. We actually build credit for them through rental history, insurance letters, like, hey, you've paid your insurance fine for 12 months with an insurance agency, utility letters. They're called alternative trade lines, is basically, we can do that. It's actually, if you have no credit, that's actually better than bad credit. So we can do that on an FHA loan.